this lecture, I'll take you through how to build new version of the app. So once you update interstitial ID and banner ID of the buyer, you need to generate new version of the app to upload on Google Developer Console. So first of all, what you need to do is don't modify any other source code. That's all you need to do. You don't need to know basically how to program everything, but if you just can figure out how to change uh, interstitial and banner ID, that's all you need to do. So the next thing is click on build and generate signed APK, because most of the apps are digitally signed, so you need to use the same signature to build next version of the app. So click on generate signed APK, select this is the one I am going to build a version for. Okay, I'll show you how to choose key store path. So first of all, click on choose existing, and then my key store file is located under this folder key store, so I'll select that one, and the password is, and alias is this one, which is already there, so I'll use existing alias and password. Next, and then you can select whether you want to build debug type or release type. So this one is a release, new release, so I'll select release and click on finish. So if everything works well, you should see new version of the app with interstitials and banner ID integrated for the new buyer. So yeah, so generate signed APK is generated successfully, reveal in Finder, and this is the one. This is the new APK which you need to upload in Google Developer Console. Thank you.